Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of XRP investing to uncover the secrets of the richest XRP investors. Get ready to be amazed by their incredible journey. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest insights into the world of cryptocurrency. In this video, we're shining a spotlight on the XRP market and the strategies that have made some investors incredibly wealthy. Presentation of Problem Challenge. Before we get into the success stories, let's address the challenges and risks that come with XRP investing. The market can be volatile, and making strategic decisions is crucial to navigate through the ups and downs. Exploration development. Now let's explore the tactics employed by the wealthiest XRP investors. From leveraging market trends to timing their trades just right, these investors have mastered the art of maximizing their earnings. We'll uncover their top strategies to help you succeed in the XRP market. Climax Key Moment. Are you ready for the key moment? We're about to reveal the insights and pivotal moments that led to the success of these investors. Stay tuned as we uncover the potential for high returns in the XRP market and how you can capitalize on it. Conclusion summary. To wrap it up, let's summarize the main takeaways from our discussion. XRP investing offers both opportunities and pitfalls, and understanding the market dynamics is essential for success. Keep honing your skills and stay informed to make the most of your investments. Call to action, CTA. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your fellow investors. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on XRP investing and share your own experiences in the comments below. Together, let's navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency and unlock our financial potential. Thanks for watching.